This is Link. It connects two or more people together so they can find each other. It's a simple one-button interface. Just pair two or more devices, and then follow the arrow and distance right to your people. That's it. All without the need for phones, maps, connectivity, or subscriptions. Have you ever been lost or separated from your group? Been unsure at a fork in the road? Anxiously waited for your group to return? Struggled to describe where you are? Turned around in a crowded place and your child is gone. But Link is as much for fun as it is for safety. Find your friends at music festivals. Stay together in large crowds. Reunite easily on ski trips. Allow your kids to explore with more peace of mind. Or simply enjoy your outdoor activities with more confidence. Link uses a new approach to GPS and has a range between devices of up to 3 miles. Scroll through groups of up to 12 with a user interface that's simple enough for a young child to use. Link lasts up to 3 days without recharging, and its built-in clip allows you to attach the device to your clothes, gear, or even pets. Engineered to endure the harshest environments, from snowy descents to young kids. Link is more than a people compass. You can set meetup locations that everyone in your group can easily find and return to. A safe zone feature alerts you when anyone strays outside the boundary that you choose. It's great for kids and pets. No more worrying, wandering, or waiting around. Link will find your people when nothing else will.
Introducing PowerTalkie, the smart outdoor communication expert. Communication is crucial for outdoor activities, especially when there is no signal.
Hey, we're almost there.
There's no signal here.
Let's use PowerTalkie instead.
Simply connect PowerTalkie to your smartphone through Bluetooth, and it will turn your smartphone into a powerful GPS and talking machine when there is no signal or internet.
Hey, I found a creek here.
With PowerTalkie Smart app, you can receive real-time voice message without opening the app.
Great. Can you bring back some water?
Hey Jack, I'm on top of the mountain now.
Power Talkie signal can reach 10 miles using voice chat or 20 miles using text messages. Power Talkie is waterproof and drop-proof. With IP67 and a special surface material, it can prevent any kind of liquid damage or drop damage, keeping your communications safe and smooth. The emergency feature lets you send real-time location and SOS message to all Power Talkie users, getting the help you need within a second. Power Talkie also supports group chat, as well as location sharing with all your friends, making it much easier to meet up with your team or send emojis. Power Talkie also works as a portable power bank. It comes with a 6,000 AH battery capacity, gives you the power you need for all electrical devices. Support us on Indiegogo today and enjoy your outdoor activities with the best communication device.
Meet GoChair, the most stable and portable seat designed for any adventure. The sturdy and comfortable GoChair sits tall and packs small by folding to the size of a water bottle, making it perfect for taking and storing anywhere. Forget taking 2 chairs with 2 hands on multiple trips. Now you can carry 3 times as many in one journey. GoChair is designed so you can easily carry 6 at once. And unlike other chairs that can take half a minute or more to construct, GoChair instantly opens and sets up in less than 5 seconds. Just pop it open with one motion and extend the telescoping arms. That's it. And when you're ready to go, just press the button to release the frame, put away the arms, and wrap it up to stow away. So you can spend less time hauling and more time enjoying where it counts. Weighing under 3 pounds, GoChair can hold over 100 times its own weight, with stability up to 300 pounds. Featuring quick-drying nylon canopy, the GoChair is built for durability and all types of weather. From lake days in spring and summer vacations to fall getaways and winter sports, GoChair is the last set of portable chairs you'll ever need to own. Based in Santa Barbara, California, we have decades of manufacturing experience and are ready to make and ship your GoChairs.
Hi, I'm Sam Chesluck, one of the GoChair founders. Look, life is short, time is limited, and we want to fill our lives with great experiences. Just like you, we love getting outside with our friends and family, and we're always looking for ways to optimize our gear to allow for our active lifestyles.
We have tested over 12 functional prototypes before arriving at the final GoChair design. We released production tooling on all GoChair components. You can order with full confidence. GoChair is ready to ship.
We want GoChair to get you out more often in comfort wherever you go. Please support us and buy your GoChair today. We know you will love it just as much as we do.
Where do you want to go with GoChair? Pre-order now to receive exclusive discounts at thegochair.com.